Hello everyone, today I want to teach you what is the link and how we can create a link in a web page. Now I'm going to write a code or elements. Or elements means you can create a link, and link is an inline element. I have to write content or product. This one is not gonna work because we didn't write the attribute for the link. What are the attributes for the tag A? href and target. And what is attribute? Means additional information. Href means put a web page that you are going to click or put your own web page that you make on your computer. And we have 4 types of target. First one is blank. Blank means open a link from new window or new tab. What is parent? Open a link from parent frame. What is self? Open a link from current frame. By the default, the link will open on current frame. We don't need to write the self. And the last one, top, means open a link from full body of window. Now I'm going to write attribute here, href, and then paste the website. Now you will gonna see the website. See, our web page is here. You click our products. See, you can see the Facebook page in the current frame, not the other one. For example, in new window or new tab or parent frame or full body of the window. When you visited the link, the color will purple. But when you are not visited the link, the color will be blue. Now I am going to write a target we're gonna see the blank parent self tab. I'm going to use blank and then save. When I click our product, we're gonna see in the other page, not the current frame. Okay, now I'm going to write other example of A. I'm going to write P paragraph, and inside this go to and then write a link href web page, and after that I'm going to write target blank, and inside the A we have to write our products. Okay, and now I am going to save. When I refresh here, see, go to our products. I click here, it's open with the new tab. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.